The Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie, is a legendary creature believed by some to inhabit Loch Ness, a large freshwater loch in the Scottish Highlands of Europe. It's one of the most famous cryptozoological mysteries in the world. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. The legend and history. Sitara ancient origins. Reports of a monster in Loch Ness date back to ancient times, with local Pictish stone carvings depicting a mysterious beast with flippers. Sitara Ali written account Chhata century. The first written account appears in a 7th century biography of Saint Columba, an Irish monk. In AD 565, Columba reportedly encountered locals burying a man by the river Ness, which flows from Loch Ness, who had been attacked by a water beast. Columba is said to have miraculously repelled the creature. Sitara modern fascination. 1933 onwards, the legend gained worldwide attention in 1933 when a new road was completed alongside Loch Ness, offering unobstructed views. A couple reported seeing an enormous animal, which they compared to a dragon or prehistoric monster, disappear into the water. This incident was widely reported, and numerous sightings followed, sparking global fascination. Though key characteristics and descriptions. Sitara descriptions of Nessie vary, but common portrayals often depict a large, serpentine creature with a long neck, humps along its back, and sometimes flippers. Sitara. The most common theory among believers is that Nessie could be a plesiosaur, a type of long-necked marine reptile believed to have gone extinct millions of years ago. However, this theory is largely dismissed by scientists due to the unlikelihood of a single plesiosaur surviving for so long, let alone a breeding population, in a freshwater loch. 3. Famous sightings and evidence. Sitara. The Surgeon's photograph, 1934. This is perhaps the most iconic image associated with Nessie, showing a long neck and small head emerging from the water. For decades, it was considered strong evidence, but in the mid-1800s, it was revealed to be a hoax, constructed from a toy submarine with a sculpted head attached. Sitara sonar readings. Various sonar explorations have been conducted over the years, notably in 1987, Operation Deepscan, and 2003. While some sonar readings have indicated large, unexplained objects in the depths, none have provided conclusive evidence of a large animal. Sitara eyewitness accounts. Over 1,000 sightings have been reported since the 1803. These range from fleeting glimpses of humps or disturbances in the water to more detailed descriptions. Many recent sightings are registered by the official Loch Ness Monster Sightings Register. Sitara Dinsdale film. 1960 Tim Dinsdale filmed a hump moving at or near the surface of the loch, which some consider strong evidence, though interpretations vary. Some believe it was a boat's wake. Sitara recent theories. Giant eels. In a 2019 environmental DNA (EDNA) study, researchers found a significant amount of eel DNA in Loch Ness. While the study didn't prove the existence of giant eels, it suggested that some of the reported sightings might be attributed to exceptionally large eels. 4. Scientific perspective and explanations. Sitara. The scientific community largely considers the Loch Ness Monster a myth. Sitara. Most alleged evidence, including photographs and sonar readings, has been discredited as hoaxes, misidentifications of known animals or objects, or wishful thinking. Sitara. Common explanations for sightings include Sitara optical illusions, waves, reflections, or disturbances on the water's surface. Sitara known animals, otters, deer, seals. Though seals are rare in the loch, or large fish like eels. Sitara boats or wakes. The wake of passing boats can sometimes create wave patterns that mimic a large creature. Sitara floating debris, logs, tree stumps, or other objects. 5. Cultural impact. Sitara. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the Loch Ness Monster remains incredibly popular and is a significant part of Scottish folklore and tourism. Sitara. The mystery attracts thousands of visitors to Loch Ness each year, eager for a glimpse of Nessie. There's a Loch Ness Centre and exhibition that explores the legend and natural history of the loch. In summary, the Loch Ness Monster is a fascinating and enduring legend in Europe, rooted in centuries-old tales and propelled into global fame by modern sightings and evidence, much of which has been debunked. While the scientific consensus points to it being a myth, the mystery of Nessie continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide.